A versatile kitchen essential, a food processor swiftly handles shredding, grating, chopping, mixing, grinding, and pureeing tasks with remarkable efficiency, streamlining your food preparation process significantly. With additional attachments amplifying its functionalities, it elevates culinary possibilities. However, given the diversity in the market, not all food processors are created equal. To assist in navigating through the options, we've rigorously researched several leading models to identify those worthy of our recommendation. As always, we've ensured that all the products that are mentioned in this video are conveniently listed in the description and in the pinned comment down below. This way, you can easily refer back to them later. If you're hunting for the ultimate budget-friendly food processor without compromising on performance, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is your go-to choice. Sporting a compact design and equipped with a robust 350-watt motor, it effortlessly handles dicing, mincing, and pureeing tasks with precision. With a generous 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for everyday use in small kitchens or for quick meal prep sessions. Easy to clean and operate, this economical gem delivers exceptional value without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to efficient meal preparation on a budget with this Hamilton Beach marvel. Ideal for budget-conscious shoppers seeking a larger capacity, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper offers exceptional value. Boasting a 12-cup bowl and robust 450-watt motor, it effortlessly handles various food prep tasks. The Stack and Snap design ensures effortless assembly, while the stainless steel blades ensure durability and precision. With 2 speed options, it accommodates different ingredients and textures. BPA-free construction prioritizes safety, while the compact footprint saves counter space. Whether you're chopping, shredding, or pureeing, this food processor delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank, making it a top choice for those seeking affordability and functionality in one package.
Feed tube reduces the need to cut up ingredients beforehand, which saves even more time. With a sealed bowl, powerful 450-watt motor, a dishwasher-safe blade, discs, bowl, and lid, this food processor is smartly designed with convenience in mind. You'll be all set to mix, chop, slice, and shred with ease with the Stack and Snap food processor from Hamilton Beach. Now that's good thinking.
For those seeking a mid-range large-capacity food processor, the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor, boasting 500 watts of power, is a standout choice. With its generous capacity, it effortlessly handles large batches of ingredients, making meal prep a breeze. The sturdy construction and durable design ensure longevity and reliability in the kitchen. Equipped with a variety of blades and attachments, it offers versatility to tackle a wide range of tasks, from shredding and slicing to pureeing and mixing. Whether you're whipping up family meals or entertaining guests, this KitchenAid processor delivers consistent performance and exceptional results, making it a worthy investment. For those in search of a remarkable large-capacity food processor that offers exceptional performance without straining the budget, the Cuisinart Food Processor 14-cup Vegetable Chopper emerges as the top choice. With its robust 720 watts of power, this stainless steel marvel effortlessly handles mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, and even kneading dough with precision and efficiency. Its spacious 14-cup capacity ensures ample room for batch cooking and entertaining without hassle. What truly sets it apart is its remarkable balance of price, performance, and features. Despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on quality or functionality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to streamline your meal prep, this Cuisinart food processor offers unmatched value for money. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and slicing tasks and welcome a newfound efficiency into your kitchen. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance and innovation in a large-size food processor, the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro is an unparalleled choice. Boasting a robust 1200 watts motor with high torque, it effortlessly tackles the most demanding tasks with precision and speed. Its generous 16-cup capacity accommodates large batches, perfect for meal prepping or entertaining. The versatile design offers an array of functions, from slicing and dicing to kneading dough, providing endless culinary possibilities. Equipped with an adjustable slicing disc with 24 settings and a powerful S-blade system, it ensures consistent results every time. The thoughtful inclusion of extra-wide feeding chute minimizes the need for pre-cutting, saving valuable time in the kitchen. With its premium construction and intuitive controls, the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro sets the standard for excellence in food processing, making it an indispensable asset for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, investing in one of these top-rated food processors will revolutionize your culinary experience. Say goodbye to tedious prep work and hello to effortless cooking. Which one will you choose? Thank you for checking out our review. Find out more about these excellent products with the link provided in the description down below. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.